Facebook's taking 10 months, Instagram taking 2.5 months, and iPhone taking 75 days, but ChatGPT taking only 5 days. Can anybody tell me what is ChatGPT? Anyone? No. So I will tell you what is ChatGPT. Good evening, Ruchika.
This is AI tool और इसमें हम जो भी कुछ भी चीज हमें जो फाइंड करनी होती है वो अगर हम डालते हैं तो हमें पूरा उसका वो मिल जाता है चैट जीपीटी में, जस्ट लाइक ए क्यूरा कि जैसे हमने कोई क्वेश्चन पुट अप किया देन उसका आंसर हमें एज इट इज मिल जाता है. आई थिंक जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग हमारे कंटेंट है वो हमें इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाती है साइट पे.
Yeah, you are right, Ruchi. Basically, ChatGPT provide you the answers of any question related, but it is much more than that. It will give you correct answers, and in a single click or in a Cura will take some time, but ChatGPT provide you instant answers. Basically, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligent text generated tool. It's designed in a natural language. You can start any conversation with ChatGPT, and it will do the variety of tasks, such as you can ask questions, generate text, and it will provide you recommendations and many more things. ChatGPT is trained on a vast amount of data from the internet, which enables to understand the user's need, and it will provide you the data according to your need. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for information retrieval and natural language processing. It has been many implications like customer service, virtual assistance, language translation, and many more. ChatGPT can be a useful tool in research in a number of ways. And today I will discuss some examples of it. For doing that, first of all, we have to open a ChatGPT. For opening ChatGPT, we just go to Google and type ChatGPT. After that, it will open, introduce ChatGPT. You just click on that and go to try ChatGPT. When you go to try GPT, it will ask you to create an account, but I have already an account, so it does not ask this to me and open my account. So as you can see, it opened the account and it started. And you can open account by using your Gmail account, and it will take few minutes to create an account. So you can create your account, and how it will help you in doing your research. So you can ask ChatGPT for example, you are struggling to come up with any idea, any research idea. You need inspiration. You don't have any idea for writing a research paper. You can ask ChatGPT. You can simply.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Hello.
I think you have not shared the screen.
Actually, I'm sharing the screen, sir.
But Mendeley, the screen shows introduction to Mendeley.
Okay.
The slideshow mode is not on.
Okay. Sure. I'm not showing my slideshow.
Okay.
Can you see ChatGPT boxes?
Actually, your ChatGPT screen is not visible, ma'am.
Okay. Let me try again.
Please stop this PPT,
Just a minute, sir. Give me a second.
Ma'am, if there is any problem with your system, okay. Okay,
And
ma'am.
now it's showing.
Yes, yes.
Sorry for inconvenience. And now you can see it is open chat GPT. So and you can see here is given a new chat. So you can every time you can start a new chat, it will give. And I'm discussing about generating ideas. If you are struggling to generating ideas and you need inspiration for writing a paper, or then ChatGPT can help you. It will provide you suggestion according to your interest or according to your previous research. Can anyone please suggest me any topic? Anyone?
Social engineering.
Social engineering. Okay. So you want to write a paper on social engineering. So first I will ask ChatGPT to provide a table of content on social engineering, right? And just type enter and so it will start. So can you see, Hasina? It will give you the table of content of social engineering.
Yeah, it's visible.
So you can, if the table of content generated by ChatGPT, if you are not satisfied with this answer, you can regenerate it. Just clicking on the regenerate response and it will give you another answer related to this topic. Okay, okay, Hasina. You can also use ChatGPT for doing literature review. For example, if you want literature on what social engineering, you can just type literature review on social engineering, and it will provide you a detailed literature review on social engineering with in-text citation and bibliography. It will provide you the summary of the article and many more. And you can easily do the literature review in a single click. It will also help you in analyzing data. If you have a large database and it need to be analyzed, you just ChatGPT can help you in analyzing and visualizing data. You can provide data in a structured form, and then ChatGPT will show you the exact meaning and of that data, and it will also provide you graphs for clear understanding of your data. You can also use ChatGPT for writing assistant. If you want to write any article and you want to generate outline, or you need suggestion, or it will provide you the example of a good writing, and it will also you can submit any article to the ChatGPT. It will also give you feedback on your article. How is it written? So before submitting any article to any journal, you can recheck through the ChatGPT for your language corrections on any other help. ChatGPT can also helpful in finding resources. If you want to find resources, you can just ask ChatGPT to find it. It will work you like a genie. You can ask anything and it will provide you. Like you want books on social, for example, you want books on social engineering. Then it will recommend you book also. So you can see so many books are suggested by ChatGPT, and you can regenerate response according to your need. But please keep in mind, ChatGPT can be helpful tool for researcher, but it cannot be a substitute of human expertise and judgment. It's always important to evaluate information provided by ChatGPT, and it is always advisable to consult your expert or your supervisor before taking any information from the ChatGPT. And that's all for ChatGPT. Any question regarding this? Do you have any question regarding ChatGPT?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Anam.
Ma'am, I'm Anam Magdumi from Kashmir University.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my question is regarding the references that are generated by ChatGPT. Recently, there have been times when other researchers have pointed out that when we use ChatGPT for literature review, it sometimes generates artificial references. Like they do not, the papers
Yeah.
that have been referenced do not exist.
Yeah.
Can you please tell me like how we can remove those, or how we know that the references that are generated are false?
Okay. As I told you, Anam, earlier, ChatGPT can be a helpful tool, but it can not a substitute of human expertise or judgment. You most of the time it is a genuine problem, and I face it. It generates fake references, and they never exist. And you can or before writing any paper, or before consulting any piece of information from ChatGPT, you have always cross check it. And you as we all know, ChatGPT provide you information about the data which is fed in the computer, and it is very limited knowledge. It provides a very on a limited field of knowledge. After year 2021, it will not provide any information. Till year 2021, it will provide you information, and for more authentic information from the ChatGPT, you have to to take a subscribe version or premium version of ChatGPT that is paid, and monthly charges of that is $42, which is around 3,500 in Indian currency, 3,500 per month. So for more accuracy, you have to take the premium of ChatGPT.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Any other question? Anyone else? No. Oh. Can my slide is visible to you? Can anyone please tell me you can show the slide of Mendeley?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay, thank you, Anam. In some of you attended the lecture of Professor Naushad sir is Saturday, and he given a brief introduction about the Mendeley. So today I will teach you how Mendeley work, or how can you use Mendeley for writing your research papers, or it will help you in generating citation and reference list automatically. For example, if you have written a research paper and you want to publish it in any journal, so you send it to journal A, but unfortunately it got rejected. Then you send it to journal B, but unfortunately it again got rejected. Then you have to send it to journal C. Unfortunately, it accepted. And but during this process, problem arise when you have to edit your journal according to journal need every time. Sorry, you have to edit your article according to journal need every time. Because we all know every journal has their own guidelines, and they don't follow any uniformity. Some are using APA, some are using MLA, some are using Harvard, and some are using many others. And for example, if in that article you have taken 50 references, or you done it manually, then it will take hours to edit that paper, and it will also increase your frustration level. But if you use any reference manager software, you can do it in just a single click and without taking time. So Mendeley will be very useful tool for in your research for providing citations and reference lists. There are so many citation tools available in the market, such as EndNote, Zotero, Mendeley, and many more. I'm not promoting Mendeley here, but according to my experience, I use these platforms. But I found Mendeley is more user friendly, and it is best in terms of fetching data. fetching metadata from the PDFs, especially from the PDFs. And fetching metadata means automatically taking data from the research article, such as title name, journal name, volume, year, etc., etc. I know many of you are using Mendeley and other reference softwares, but if some of you are not using Mendeley or any other software, it will save your time. And so, shall I start Mendeley? For starting Mendeley, as I told you, Mendeley is a reference software. It will help you to manage, read, share, and annotate your research paper. Mendeley is available on the, it's freely available, and it work on the all platform like Windows, Linux, and Mac also. And it also work on the all major browsers. So basically, Mendeley used for reference manager. For starting Mendeley, you have to follow some simple steps. For you just go to the Google and type Mendeley online, and you have to create a Mendeley. For using Mendeley, you have to just create an account. It is very simple. You can create an account by using your Gmail account or your Facebook account. By after creating that account, you can download Mendeley desktop according to your need. If you are using Windows, you can use according to your requirement, and if you are using MacBook, you can download Mendeley desktop or MacBook, etc. And then you have to start building your library. And this is the Mendeley desktop overview. You can see it is divided into 3 parts, 3 panels. Left side panel, it Mendeley basically follow work hierarchy. If you done anything in the left panel, it will reflect in the center panel, and if you do anything in the center panel, it will reflect in the right hand side panel. You can see it will give you all the details, all documents recently added, favorites, need a review, my publications, sorted, unsorted, etc. You can click on any article and it will show in the right side panel. You can easily add document in the simplest way, just drag and drop to the Mendeley. You can also add your file by add files or from your computer, or add folder from your computer. So you can add from your PDF from your computers, and you can also import data from the if you are using any other reference manager software, just like EndNote, BibTeX, Zotero, you can also import your data from there. Can easily import your previous data and start building your Mendeley library from Zotero and Note. It works. You can also add document by just adding their DOI or PubMed ID or any other ID, and after clicking on the magnifier glass, as you can see in the magnifier glass, it will automatically add the missing information You can also add article from the web importer. You can just save to Mendeley button from your bookmark, and after you will search any web browser, just like Google Scholar or any other, you can you can search article and you just click on that, on the save all icon, and then it will save automatically to your Mendeley account. And how Mendeley will help you in organizing your data, your papers. So you can manage your library by creating different folders, like if you're working on any topic, just like I'm working on research data management, but I'm writing paper in digital humanities, so I can create a folder with the name of digital humanities and put all the article in that folder, and by the single click I can access my all the article in the Mendeley. You can also mark as read or unread. You can start favorites. It will also show you the attached file, whether it is PDF, Excel, PPT, or any other document. After adding your article, you always click on the synchronize button, so all the articles of your can save on the Mendeley cloud. If you are going anywhere and you are not carrying your laptop, then you can access your all the material from using Mendeley cloud version, and you can access your all the materials, all the articles anywhere. After creating your library, you can search your library by keywords, by author, by publication, and many others. Filter. Mendeley also provide you the read and it will provide you a built-in PDF viewer, so you can it help you to read your article. You can open multiple articles simultaneously and you can read it. You can also highlight your article. Mendeley help you to add notes. If you don't know any term in the paper, you just select that term and click on that. Mendeley will provide you the meaning of that term. For example, this is in showing you open access. I selected open access and it will provide you the meaning what is open access is. Citation and bibliography, how it helps in creating citation and bibliography. For that, I will show you my Mendeley account. It will help you. Okay. Okay, this is my Mendeley account. I can see you. You can see if I'm. Can your Microsoft version is visible to you? Hello. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you see a Microsoft file?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm telling you how to create in-text citations or by using Mendeley. So if you want to write any article, you just type, for example, social networking site, social networking sites, and you just go to the in-text citation, and you can search your Mendeley account by author, title, or year. So I will type author name, that is Ravi. It will show you all the authors. For example, I have taken this social networking impact on academic libraries in technology era. So I will select this and click on the OK. It will provide me in-text citation, and I start writing again and add another citation. Then I will go to my Mendeley account and just type the author name or year or anything else. For example, I type your 2014 or 15. So it will give you the citation of that, and so on. And after writing your paper, you just for adding your bibliography, you can just click on the insert bibliography button. Insert bibliography, and automatically bibliography will be added. Go to the you go to the Mendeley and install the citation plugin. You have to go to the tools and install MS Word plugin, and after clicking on the MS Word plugin, it automatically downloaded, and you can and it insert your citation. After that, you can
Ma'am,
hello.
Your PPT is not visible, ma'am.
So now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Sorry. So you can generate in-text citations by doing that. You just go to the library and you search by the author, title, or year, and after that you just click on the OK button, and it will automatically add. You can also go to the edit button, and you can edit your citation according to your need. You can merge the citation also by clicking on the merging button. And after completing your in-text citation, you just click on the insert bibliography button and choose your style. You want to, you can choose any style like APA or MLA or Harvard or AIEEE or any other. And it's done. You can also create your citation style, and Mendeley provide you more than 6,000 citation in styles. Mendeley also help you in creating your research network and group. You can use Mendeley for connecting with your colleagues, friends, or your co-workers. Mendeley provide you 3 type of group. One is open public group. Second is invite only public group, and third is completely private group. So public group is for anyone. You can add anyone in this group. You can search any public group related to your interest and you can join that group. Some popular group on the Mendeley web version are also given. You can click on that and you can join them. You can also create a private group for sharing your research or among your colleagues, or if you are a supervisor, you can create a group of your student, and you can create and you can give any task to them. And it will also help you in collaborate with your research team. You can assign a different color to a different member and they will use it as a highlighting. Mendeley also help you to discover new researches, recommendation, and fact. You can search literature by clicking on the literature search, and Mendeley will provide you abundance of literature. If this icon is given, you can also download that article. You can also search by using online catalog. You can search any topic related to your requirement. You can also add new research. It will also help you to find related research to your research topic or your presentation topic or any other topic. Mendeley also provide you the statistics. Social statistics help you to learn about how other are using this paper. Oh, one more feature of Mendeley, it helps you to create your research profile like other academic social networking site like ResearchGate or any other. You can create your research profile and you can add your research papers and it will show you your research profile. And that's all about Mendeley. Thank you. Any question related to Mendeley?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your presentation and information regarding Mendeley and ChatGPT. Now, if anyone have a questions, they can ask, and otherwise we will proceed next.
Anyone? If you are having any question, you can ask.
So yes, okay. There is no problem. Our chief guest, Salman sir is here. Just a
Hi, good
minute.
evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah. First of all, I want to introduce our chief guest, Salman Khalid Saab from Saudi Arabia. Just a few seconds. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good
Good
evening,
evening.
all of you. Salman Khalid Saab is here. Today's validity function, the chief guest. First of all, I want to introduce sir. Salman Khalid Baksh is a highly accomplished IT professional who made a significant impact in various fields throughout his career. He currently serves as an IT manager system at King Saud University Medical City in Riyadh, where he is responsible for the overseeing the technology system and infrastructure to support the organization's operations. In addition to his work of KSUMC, Salman is also involved in several other important initiatives. He served as a director on the advisory board of Indian Forum of Education, where he helped guide the organization's effort to promote education opportunity and excellence in India. He has also served as the former chairman of International Indian Public School in Riyadh, where he played a key role in the shaping of the school's strategy, vision of directions. Salman is highly respected figure in the Indian community in Riyadh and has held several leadership positions in organizations such as AMU Old Boys Association Riyadh and Embassy of India in Riyadh. He has also the former lecturer in computer science at Aligarh Muslim University AMU in India, where earned his degree in computer science. With his extensive experience in IT and leadership, Salman has made a significant contribution to the field of education, technology, and social work, and continues to be the influence figure of in the community. So, sir, I request you please proceed, say something regarding this workshop and what is your experience regarding artificial intelligence tool and digital words regarding the research and education. So, sir, please.
Thank you very much, Rafiq Sab. Thank you for the introduction. And first of all, I welcome all the guys who are available on the online chat. Being the IT professional, am I clear? Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So being in the field of IT for the last 37 years, I started my career in the IT when the punching machine were used for the programming. And now we are running into the era where everything is in artificial intelligence. So as far as the researchers are concerned, as far as the people who are in the research field are concerned, it is a very challenging job for them, and it is very easy for them on the other hand. Challenging in the sense that plagiarism is a tool which will catch them if they are copying anything. But the facilities like chatbot, and there are many boards which are available, where you can simply write in any language, like you write in Hindi, you write in English, you write in Arabic, and you will get a translation into English. And if you want to have that, whatever method you are using for choosing a particular research area, research topic, you can just give your idea in your own words, and this chatbot or GPT will give you the idea of the uh, titles of the paper. Second thing is that can you control the guys' mic, please? So Bharat Digital Academy has done a great job. I have been with them for like 2 years or more, and I have been in the expert panel also, and I have seen that the people interested in this digital academy, they are helping a lot in the Indian community and promoting a lot of new things, which is really a matter of great pride for the Bharat Digital Academy. I just wanted to say thank you to them that they are helping our community in India. And I have seen that many people from the abroad also joining their courses. They are very cheap price courses, which if you go into a private sector, you have to spend thousands of rupees. But I have seen that their fee is very nominal. And I have seen the interest of the guys who are joining these courses, like this course of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence, I mean, it's nothing but you can say that you are behaving a computer like a human being. So whatever you expect from a human being, you wanted to expect the same from a robot or from a machine. So artificial intelligence is playing a very vital role. And in future, I was just reading an article that how the USA will be in 2050. So a question will be asked from the GPT chat board that how the America will look like after in 2050. So they have given all the things which are on the previous basis of the research. So I just wanted to say that this is a very good platform. AI is the future of all the people who are in the field of IT. And the very good thing is that if you want to go to the IT, you need not to be a programmer. You need not to be a very specialized computer technical MTech. You can start your career with a very small basic things, and then you will learn a lot of things from the AI itself. Like if you want to know the programming, the basic programming, you should know that what you want to write down. If you write down in your own language, the computer will convert through AI into a programming language. So for my understanding to the AI is that AI is the future of computer science. And I wish all the guys who have participated in this 1 week program, and I would like to wish all the guys who have given their presentation, and some of the lucky winners are there. So that I will announce when Rafiq sir will allow me to announce the result of the PPT presented to us. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. This is a very important occasion. We have received we have received several entries of the PPT competition, which we have already announced yesterday and before that date. I request our chief guest Salman Khalid sir, please announce the PPT result, the first positions and second position. So please, I request the sir kindly announce the result, PPT result.
Okay, Rafiq Saab. The first winner is Dr. Shiba Sardar Ali, College of Science and Humanities, Outer Sudair Majma Universities in KSA. So congratulations. If she's around, can you focus on her? Is she joined today?
Shiva ma'am, are you here? Shiva ma'am, are you here? I think it's not.
Shiva, the second winner is.
Yes, you are here, but you are
we cannot see you.
Shiva ma'am, can you listen to me? Yes. Shiva ma'am. Okay, actually she is available here, but not giving the not response. Okay, sir. The next one is, sir.
The next one is Ruchita Khurana from Mira Girls College, research scholar. So congratulations to Ruchita.
Ruchita ma'am, are you here? Ruchita ma'am. Yes, Ruchita ma'am, are you here? Ruchi Khurana. Ruchi ma'am? Ruchi ma'am, are you here? Ruchi ma'am? Ruchi ma'am, can you listen to me? Actually, she was here. Actually, I think he's not connected with us, Shiva and Ruchi ma'am. So after we will connect it. Okay, sir. We can process next, na? So, sir, thank you. Very congratulations to all of participants. They are winner of this PPT competitions. Ruchi ma'am and Shiva ma'am. Actually, she's not connected with us at the time, but she is available in our list. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, if you want to say something more regarding this education system, which is AI, artificial intelligence, and digital tools help how to uh, uh, actually this AI and digital tools help for the students, teachers, and all educator community. Yeah? So kindly explain some your share your experience regarding this. We will connect with this Ruchi and
Good
Shiva.
afternoon, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ruchi ma'am is here. Thank you, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, your PPT selected the second prize. You have got the second position.
Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Can you open your camera?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Actually, our chief guest on the screen.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. Shiva ma'am, are you here? Shiva ma'am.
Rafiq sir, do you have Shiva mobile number so I can call her because I'm in Saudi. She's also in Saudi.
You can call. It was very wonderful workshop regarding AI and digital tools. So
Yes. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Dr. Shiva.
Shiva
Yes,
ma'am
yes.
is here.
Yes,
Shiva
I
ma'am,
am
can
here.
you open- Shiva ma'am, can you open your camera? Shiva ma'am, can you
Camera,
open your camera?
camera I cannot open because I am outside the house.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So you are using your
Okay,
mobile,
ma'am,
Shiva?
congratulations.
And I am taking another class also. I am taking online class of my students.
Oh,
Okay, Dr. Shiva, so
Okay.
so the thing is that you have been granted the first prize. I'm the chief guest of today's validity function.
Oh, thank you
Congratulations
so
to
much,
you
sir.
that you got the first prize in the presentation.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
And I'm from
Okay.
Riyadh and you are from Majma, so we are very near to
Yes,
each other.
yes. We are very near. Yes. Thank you so
All
much,
right.
sir. Thank you.
So congratulations. Rafiq sir, you want to say
Thank
something?
yes, sir.
Pardon?
Ma'am, we will send you the certificate and winner amount in your account by
Okay.
7 o'clock. Na? Actually,
Okay.
certificate is ready. You know?
Okay.
So,
Okay. Thank you so
Ruchi
much,
ma'am,
sir.
okay. Thank you very much, ma'am. Actually, your presentation is good.
Okay.
Or some at the technical
Yes.
problem in the presentations. Actually,
Okay.
you have not mentioned in the first slide. Actually, what is this topic and who are you? Last में मैम आपने इसको मेंशन किया है, लेकिन फर्स्ट स्लाइड में आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहिए।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है। सो मैं उसको थोड़ा सा रिव्यू कर दूं क्या?
नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मैम। एक्चुअली और
अच्छा
प्रेजेंटेशन
चलिए, इट्स ओके। हाँ, लेकिन आपकी जो ये वर्कशॉप थी, इट वाज अबाउट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड रिसर्च टूल। इट इज आल्सो वेरी यूजफुल, वेरी यूजफुल। यस, थैंक यू सो मच। और आपकी जितनी भी वर्कशॉप्स होती है वो काफी यूजफुल होती हैं, और आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू अटेंड। यस
ओके, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Okay. It's the time for my class, so I'm going to start my own class. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. And another one is Ruchi ma'am. Ruchi Khurana ma'am is also with us.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you open your camera?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
For the second prize of the PPT competitions.
थैंक यू सर, आपको ये प्लेटफॉर्म हमें प्रोवाइड करने के लिए सर। एक्चुअली इतना शॉर्ट टाइम था तो हम कोई जस्ट एनिमेशन ही डाल सके उसमें। ज़्यादा हम टूल्स को उसमें नहीं डाल पाए, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के या जो भी थे, कैनवा वगैरह हम यूज़ नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि बहुत शॉर्ट टाइम था सर। मैं भी वर्किंग हूँ और एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं कॉलेज में ना, तो टाइम ही नहीं मिल पाया सर। बट हाँ, जितनी भी वर्कशॉप आपकी अटेंड की हैं तो उन्हीं में से सब कुछ आउटपुट लेके उसमें डाला है सर। तो थैंक यू सो मच सर।
एक्चुअली मैम, दिस इज ओनली द प्रैक्टिकल, है ना?
ओके सर।
हमने ये चाहा कि जितने भी लोग हैं वो थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल करें कि एग्जैक्टली, मतलब कॉन्फ्रेंस होती है, सब लोग चले जाते हैं, सब लोग वो आप पढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं, लेकिन जब तक वर्कशॉप का मतलब ही है, जब तक आप प्रैक्टिकल उस चीज को आप नहीं मतलब एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे ना, तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि आपने क्या सीखा, क्या नहीं सीखा।
डेफिनेटली सर। कुछ थ्योरी तो हम पढ़ते हैं, जब तक कुछ प्रैक्टिकल नहीं करेंगे तब तक कैसे पता लगेगा कि क्या कंटेंट हमने सीखा है और इसको किस तरीके से यूज में ले सकते हैं। थैंक यू सर। जितनी भी आपकी वर्कशॉप, जो भी टॉपिक थे प्रेजेंटेशन के, सच में सर बहुत ही नॉलेजेबल और बेनिफिशियल रहे हैं हमारे लिए, क्योंकि हम जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पे है वहाँ पे हमारे पास वुड बी टीचर्स होती हैं, तो सर उनके भी टॉपिक को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए हम बहुत सारे आइडियाज देते हैं, वीडियो को पीपीटी में डालने के लिए बोलते हैं, तो सर हम भी बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं। और ये ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है कि डे बाय डे हम और भी नई चीजें सीखते रहेंगे सर आपके उससे जुड़ के।
थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम।
थैंक यू सर।
Yes, Salman sir, want to say something. Actually, there is a lot of participants here. So I request all of participants kindly open your camera. Actually, we'll take a screenshot here. The last day, today is the last day of this workshop. So, आपको Salman sir, actually, Vani actually na Professor Vani sir is here. He is a very experienced person. Vani sir, are you here? Okay. And all participants can open your. Vani sir is here. Okay, Vani sir, thank you for showing your face, sir. Really, sir, your I think you are most welcome on this Bharat Digital Academy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I also give my greetings to Professor. Sir,
yes, sir. Sir, want to say something regarding the entire experience regarding the artificial intelligence, which is covered by the Bharat Digital Academy in this workshop, and Barul ma'am bhi aage, Sophia, Shafaqat hai, है ना? Thank you. Peter Paul is also here, na? So I request all the participants kindly open your camera, na? Kindly open your camera. So yes, Vani sir.
Yes,
Vani
sir.
sir. Yes, Vani sir.
I want to share with Professor Salman Khalid Saab that
Yes, sir.
I also started my computer keyboard at IITK and IIT Delhi.
Oh, really?
I was a contemporary of Professor Muslim Taj.
Oh, really? He was my boss in Aligarh.
That's right, we were friends.
He was the director of the computer science computer data center.
That's right. And spent my time at IT, Srinagar. And towards the end of graduation, I moved to Central University quite recently. So I have also started from ab initio, computer science, electronics, communication, and I take pleasure in joining these courses. Mr. Peak Saab is doing, in my opinion, wonderful work, bringing the latest technology at affordable cost to our students and scholars. And timings are very convenient. And I wish and pray that these things should continue
Sure.
to familiarize us with things like GPT, GPT-4, and Bond, and other the latest techniques. And I'm indeed very happy to have been associated with these programs for the last two occasions. And I have joined. And like a student, I make my own notes from your presentations. And I just, for the sake of knowledge, that has been my passion.
Yeah, Mani sir, there is no age for learning. There is no age for learning. It's a chart which is always should start from the bottom and should go to the top.
That's
So
right.
I'm also doing the same thing. I'm working with my research scholars. I'm working with my technical teams and all these things. But I'm very proud to see you that you have been with Professor Muslim Taj. He was a very nice teacher, very cultured, very educated, all the things in Aligarh. So I'm proud to be a lecturer under him. I was there at time. And Rafiq sir is doing a great job, and I'm inspired from him. So in Saudi Arabia, we have started an association which is called as Indian Education Forum, which is providing the education to all kinds of supports to the students who are here. Like we have just done 1 week before, we have done a mock test for the NEET. So people who appeared in the NEET on 7th, they have got a chance to judge themselves before appearing for the final NEET. So we have been doing a lot of activities, and Rafiq sir is very kind enough to propagate it into the Indian media. I'm thankful to him. And we all are Indians. We all are supporting Indians. So I'm supporting Indians from here too. I'm assigned as the social worker from the Embassy of India for Indians, distressed Indians. I'm involved in, sending the people who unfortunately died in Saudi Arabia, or the people who are stranded in Saudi Arabia. A lot of problems are here, but our embassy is doing a lot of things. And we, as a members, white collar job member, like professors, doctors, my colleagues, everybody, we are serving a lot to Indian community. And I have joined this Bharat Academy to serve the people from India, so that if, in case if they need any help, we are ready to help them from here. It could be any kind of help if they want to send their CVs to get their job here. If you want to start any entrepreneur, if they want to start any business in Saudi Arabia, in the kingdom, in the GCC, or if anybody unfortunately is in the financial need, then we are at the back of you. We are shoulder to shoulder, sharing to our Indians. So that's what the basic cause of joining this Bharat Digital Academy. And I'm proud that I have met so many people. Although cameras are off, but there are 29 people right now joining, and all of them are winners. Don't feel that we have given one first and second. It's just a gesture. Everybody is a winner for me because you spare time and you are in a stage of learning. I really appreciate all. There is young Sufia Shafkat I have seen. The young Ruchi ma'am is there, and Paul Bhatia is there. Peter Paul is there. I want to say thank you to all of you that you spare your time to listen to my poor words. In the field of IT, I have been in this business for last 37 years. So as I said, I started the computer on the digital machines. Typing a program was taking my 5 days, 4 days job because only 2 times a day we were getting a printout, and those printouts, if you're having a single comma, semicolon mistake, we have to repeat that. But you are lucky enough that you are having IT on your fingertips. So make use of IT and say thank you to God that you are in an era. All of you are youngsters who are like 20s and like 15 and 25, even 40, that they should thank God that this idea of IT came into their life. Many people, like my professors, they never use computer. They left the world without using it. But you are lucky enough. Anything required in the IT, I'm having very poor knowledge. But whatever knowledge I'm here having, I can share with you whenever you want. And if you have any kind of topic, because you know I'm in IT, it's a versatile field. I'm teaching the doctors, so I'm in a medicine. So anything which I could help, all of you are welcome. You can take my email ID from the Bharat Academy, and I will be in touch with you guys. Thank you so much, Shafiq sir. With this word, I would like to conclude.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. And anyone want to the Sujata ma'am and Sophia Shafaqat and Farooq ma'am and Peter Paul. Malab, if you want to say something regarding your experience regarding this workshops, you can explain and express your feelings in any language. There is no language foundation. If you want to say something, Dr. Sujata ma'am, and Sophia Shakshak and Parul Bhatia, all are in video. And
Sufia Shafkat is from Saudi, I think. Sufia?
yes, yes, Sophia.
Uh, Good evening, sir. No,
Yeah,
sir.
one language.
Actually, I'm from Kashmir. I'm doing my PhD from Central University of Kashmir.
Okay. Right.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. Actually, this is my first web conference, and I feel pleasured that I get to know a lot of things from this. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Parul, yes, Sujata ma'am.
Sir, this type of workshop is very beneficial and informative. We learn more. Thank you very much. Thank you, the management, for organize such a beautiful workshop. We learn both more.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Parul ma'am, want to say something?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. And it was really wonderful experience for us. I think it is our third workshop which I am attending from Bharat Digital Academy, and each and every workshop was wonderful. Initially, we thought okay, we will just listen to experts, but we were really now we have felt that it is beyond that. We have a lot more to do in this. Even on the digital platform, we can present ourselves. That is wonderful, very knowledgeable, very beneficial. And thank you. We are looking forward to more such workshops, sir. And thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your cooperation. Anyone else want to say some? Peter, Ashwani ma'am, Ashwani, you want to say something? And other one is, I think all are silent. I think we should sum up. Time is now 6:43 is here. Peter, you want to say something? Actually, you are also, I think, our like old user, no? Yes, Peter, want to say something?
It's very good.
Kindly keep your introduction. Actually, we are from.
Could provide knowledge, and I'm PhD pursuing in India, Kerala. I attend this Bharat Digital Academy. Very useful and very lot of tools. I names and details it shows meeting. Very helpful for SS scholars.
Yes, thank you very much for Peter. And I think, yes, thank you very much for all of participants. I will send you certificate by tomorrow. By tomorrow. I will send your certificate on your registered email ID. And first of all, I will post a list. So, Khalid sir, thank you, sir. Thank you very much for coming. This validative functions and your experience is beneficial for us. Actually, you are working in IT industry in the last several years. And Vani sir is also our, actually Vani sir joined in last and before last workshop here. But your sir, you are really, you prove that there is no any age limit to learning, learning. So you are the most senior person in this workshop, and I am very happy, very happy to see you, sir. That you your experience is also beneficial for our participants. So thank you, Aswani sir. Thank you, Salman sir, Sophia Shavagat, Peter, Shiva, Aswani, Rushi Khurana, Parul Bhatia, John Babu, Anna, Dev Ranjan, whatever the peoples are connected with us in this these 5 days workshop regarding the AI tools, AI and digital tools. So I think this is the time to say bye. So thank you, Vani sir, Khalid sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Khalid sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for giving me this honor.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, Mumtaz ma'am. Actually, Mumtaz ma'am is also here. No? She was our resource today's lecture, the resource person. So Mumtaz ma'am is here. Mumtaz ma'am want to say something. Whatever your experience gained from the this workshop. Ji Mumtaz ma'am.
Thank you so much, Rafi sir, for inviting me. And sorry for inconvenience regarding the slide sharing. And I just want to say thank you all the participants and our chief guest Salman, Khalid and Vani sir and all the participants. And thank you for inviting me. Thank you, Rafiq sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, and thank you everyone for this wonderful.
Okay, Rafiq sir, kindly share the pictures if you have. Many times you have taken, yes, so kindly share those pictures and share the pictures of the certificates.
Yes, I'll share the certificate. Picture of the certificate. Okay, just
yeah.
I am preparing the certificate basically. So this is a certificate which is given to the other Shiva Sardar Ali, College of Education. Actually, I am preparing this certificate. I will send you by 7 o'clock after the completing.
Sure. Very good. Okay. Very good looking.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you. So we are disconnecting now. Vani sir, thank you
Okay.
very much for sharing your views.
Sure.
I really
you.
liked it. And I hope in future we'll meet again.
Inshallah.